Your smile is the first thing people notice about you, and you want it to be perfect, which I'm sure it is, but we're going to make it even better with the facial aesthetic designers. They are in studio today. I have three gentlemen to introduce you to. Dr. John Heimke is here, the facial aesthetic designers. Pinchas Adar, founder of Adar Dental Laboratories and Oral Design Center in Atlanta. And then we have Ralph George, the CEO of the DSD app. Thanks, gentlemen, for being here today.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.
Pleasure.
So, Doctor, I'm going to start with you. How do you utilize this digital smile design in your cosmetic practice?
Well, the digital smile design and facial aesthetics are the tools that I use to create vivid, natural smiles. And then Pinchas and Ralph, they're my A-team that I use to develop the smile in physical form.
How does this relate to emotional dentistry, if you will?
I think I'll let Pinchas answer that.
Well, I think the emotions, we're all emotional creatures, so we have to connect them on an emotional level. So I think what Ralph has is the DSD app that he designed, he developed it. Do you want to talk more about it, what it does for you?
Yeah, sure. So the DSD app is the bridge between the founder, the vision of Dr. Christine Coachman, the founder of DSD, and the highest level of technology. So we help Dr. John Heimke to create facial harmony with beautiful smiles.
And what you do is really so inspiring because, you know, we've talked before, and just looking at the stories and the way people leave compared to when they come into you. You could probably tell us stories for the next, 15, 20 minutes and then some. But I want to talk specifically about this motivational pop-in smile.
Yeah, so after the DSD plan is executed, basically it's like a blueprint. So that creates a vision for us to actually deliver something that people can try in a mouth. Pop-in smile is something you put it in the patient's mouth, they can see the vision of what's possible, and then they get emotional attachment to what's coming, and then we can copy that digitally as well to the final execution, because I think the final product is amazing to deliver what you promise. Because one thing is to plan, but also it's execution of the final.
Because they get to see.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and we're able to design it like an architectural drawing in about 10 minutes, the smile, and then send it to Madrid, Spain to have it designed up, and then I'll prepare the case or I'll show it on the patient's teeth before we do the work, and then when I do the work, Pinchas can create the actual porcelain veneers, and then we can deliver the smile and look at the results. Isn't it fantastic?
It's amazing, is what it is.
Yeah. So we take the guesswork out of the whole process, because I think one of the biggest fear patients have is that they don't know how it's going to look like.
Well, sure.
And so the DSD will give them clarity of the plan, and then we execute a pop-in smile, and then we deliver it final. So that's why it's so important to have a dentist that does all those tools together with the right team.
And Ralph, what he does is every day he's putting in innovations into the app that we use.
Updates, yes.
You're a genius.
Genius.
You're a smile genius is what you are.
Thank you very much.
That's amazing. And you know what's really cool is I feel like the client must just relax. You have to see that because they know what they're getting into before it happens.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. That's the key. I mean, the confidence you have in your dentist and your whole team, what you can deliver, what you can promise, and basically it's a bridge. What you said is right. To bridge the whole disciplines and talents together. It's amazing.
And in fact, today we're going to be going back to the office, and we're going to be delving even more into the DSD app and how we utilize it to be able to design the smile even more accurately. And usually in about 2 hours we can convert a smile. Somebody can come in with a smile they're not happy with, and in about 2 hours they have that change. Smiles
are important, they're contagious, and you make them the best they can be. So thank you for all you do. For more information, and you're going to love this one, everyonelovesmysmile.com. Thank you, gentlemen, for being here today.
Thank you very much.